Welcome back to London, folks. Did you see what happened? Adam and Michael is in jail now, again. But, we're now here to meet them, what do you say? Great, let's go to the prison. And there it is. Let's go inside, okay?
What the? Are we really supposed to eat this crap?
Look, it's either that, or starve to death.
Well, I'm thinking of choosing the second, but hey, on the bright side, at least we got bread. Can I help you?
Well, young man, I want your bread.
No, not my bread. This is the only thing edible in this place.
Or else.
Okay, take it.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this bread is actually pretty good.
Really, bro? Thanks a lot for having my back.
Look, I'm not trying to die. I mean, did you see the size of that lady? One hit and you're on the floor taking a nap. I mean, what are you talking about? What? Matthias Ryanson is back and he shot Justin.
Yeah, and everyone thought it was me. They thought I killed Justin.
Man, that's ridiculous.
Adam, we gotta find a way to get out of here. I honestly don't know how much longer I can survive in this place, bro.
Man, I just can't believe we're missing the iShow Speed meet and greet at Oak Tree School on Friday.
What? Really? How come I didn't know about that?
Don't worry about it.
Adam, now we really have to get out of here. Even if it means breaking out.
Ha, good luck. I've seen lots of kids try. No one's ever been able to pull it off.
Well, I guess you never heard of Adam and Michael. Yes. Let's go.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
Oh, come on, we swear, we didn't even mean to escape. Mom?
I brought you in here and let you know you're both getting out.
We are?
Sort of. The judge saw that you had no previous serious offenses, so he decided to exercise leniency and allow an early release.
Yes.
Let's
go.
Wahoo!
Woohoo!
Okay, don't get too excited. You're still on house arrest for 1 month.
What? No. I don't want to be stuck at home all day. We got things to do.
Okay, so, would you rather we just leave you here?
Ugh, fine.
Well, since Adam's mom is out of country, at least you two will have each other.
And remember, don't break any rules while under house arrest, or you could end up in bigger trouble than you are now.
And if you guys do anything worse, we will sentence you two to death.
Death.
Yeah, Michael, just like when you killed Justin.
Ugh, fine. We'll accept the deal, Mom.
Okay, that's enough.
Dude, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Dude, I'm kind of wishing my mom didn't take away my electronics.
Oh, well, now I'm wondering why I fought so hard to get you out. I should have just left you in there if I knew you'd be complaining so much.
Yeah.
Anywho, I'm heading out, but I want you guys to be on your best behavior.
Well, that's the only behavior we know.
Michael, I'm serious. When you're in a hole, the first thing you need to do is to stop digging, or it's only gonna get worse. Anyways, I'm headed to the iShow Speeds meet and greet.
What? You're going
to the iShow Speeds meet and greet?
Yeah, I'm taking Jack.
Mom, please take us. Please, I will be on my best behavior.
Yeah, and I also heard iShow Speed's giving away free iPhones, laptops and PlayStation 5s.
Yeah, so please take us.
Well, the only person that you will be meeting and greeting is the judge. If you don't do what I say. Now, bye-bye.
Bro, this fucking sucks. We're only a few blocks away from it and we can't go.
Wait a second, Adam. I wonder what the range is on this thing. If we go there real quick and come back?
Yeah, no one will know.
There's only one way to find out.
Wait, but what about your mom? I mean, she'll for sure see us.
Come on, I'm Mischief Michael. I'll figure it out.
Okay then, let's roll. Michael, maybe your plan worked after all.
Yeah, as if there was any doubt. Oh no, What's going on?
I don't know, I've never been to a house arrest before. Okay, we need to go back to the house, now.
No. Adam, we're so close.
That does not matter.
10, 9, 8,
Adam,
7,
what are we gonna do?
I don't
6,
fucking know.
5, 4,
No,
3,
no, 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 no,
2,
no, no.
1.
Deactivated.
Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. That was so close.
Bro, so much for your plan working. I guess we're just gonna have to miss the meet and greet.
What? Adam, no. Hey, we'll figure it out.
Bro, how? I mean, there's no way we can go 100 feet with these things on.
Well, I guess we're just gonna have to take them off.
Okay, no, we're done.
Come on, Adam. We're wasting fucking time. We only have 5 minutes left. Now stop being a fucking baby.
Bro, that's easy for you to say. You're not the one who might get their way to burn to a crisp.
Adam, you and I both agree that I had the more steady hand, right?
Okay. Just do it.
What in the fucking world?
Mom, what are you doing home so early?
Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing?
Well,
That depends. What do you think you're seeing?
A couple of crazy kids trying to blowtorch their ankle monitors off?
what? No.
And to think I had good news for you.
What kind of good news?
I had talked to your parole officer and I got him to give you clearance to go to the meet and greet. But now? No, there is no chance.
What? No. Please let us go.
No, Michael. Are you deaf? What do I always tell you? When you are in a hole, you need to stop digging.
Well, technically, we weren't digging.
Yeah, we were sawing, hammering, and blowtorching.
Well, that makes it better.
Huh?
Dude, I guess this is better than juvie.
And being stuck in the house all day.
Dude, I'm just so mad that we don't get to see the meet and greet.
The one with I Show Speed. You didn't hear? It got postponed to today.
It did?
You know what now? That I think about it. It doesn't even matter anyway. We're stuck here for the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, right. But are we though?
Dude, even if the police is not paying attention, they'll eventually notice we're gone. Especially when all the trash doesn't get picked up.
True. Unless, we get someone else to do the work for us.
Bro, what are you thinking?
Adam, you still got the £20 your mom gave you before she left?
Yep, I still got it.
Good, then let's go.
Bro, what?
Yes, come on, keep going. Well, what do we have here? Adam and Michael.
Michael, dude, I told you this would be a bad idea. You never fucking listen to me.
You know, I killed Justin, but I forgot to kill you guys. So, how about I knocked you two out, so we can have more party with snacks and pizza?
You know what? I'm in.
Michael, what are you doing?
Okay, so now you're brave this time. What a surprise.
Huh? Okay then, bring it on.
Michael, don't.
That's it, I can't take it anymore. Ouch, what the sigma was that? Ouch, what the fuck? Adam, what are you doing? I'm here to take revenge on you guys.
Well, how about I'll take revenge on you, Matthias?
What the skibidi? What are you talking about?
You killed my cousin. You killed my best friend. You ruined everything, all of our important stuff of our lives. And you're gonna pay for this one.
Hey, you know what, Adam? Maybe you can give me one more chance.
Adam, oh my god, you saved me.
Michael, shut up and let's go.
Hello.
Hola, ¿qué queréis? ¿Perras?
Oh no. They speak Spanish.
Here, Adam, leave it to me. Hola. ¿Tú hablas inglés?
No.
Oh fuck. Como? Te gusta fuck, I forgot that. Gana. Gosh, Adam, help me. 20 libras?
Vale. Lo haremos.
OMG. Muchas gracias, suelos mejores. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Woohoo!
Huh? Why is everyone looking at us so weird? Are we that obvious?
Nah, it cannot be because we're obvious. Wait, it might be the clothes. Hold on. Ew, bro, it is the clothes.
Bro, I hate homeless Spanish.
You too. Come with me.
What? Why? We didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, we're just trying to see I show speed.
No problem. I'm gonna give you both the ultimate VIP experience.
What? Let's go.
What? That's not fair. Why do they get to go ahead of us?
Okay, look, we are clearly homeless, okay? Have some compassion. Wait, you watch I Show Speed's live streams, correct? Well, clearly, you're not paying attention. The audacity. Anyways, let's go. Huh? I don't get it. Where's I Show Speed?
Haha, got fooled.
What?
Surprise, surprise, boys, you two just got fooled by the police.
What the? I did not see that coming.
Will you two ever learn your lesson?
Mom? How'd you find us?
Ellas nos ofrecieron más dinero.
The fucking Spanish betrayal, bro.
That's right. And the punishment I'm about to give you two for breaking all the rules, I'll sentence you two to death.
Death.
That's right. Any last words?
No, officer. Please give us one more chance.
Michael, no.
Adam Lawson, say your last words, my friend.
Well, I wanted to give messages to Michael and Justin before I passing away with them. Ever since after my cousin Amy died, me, Michael and Justin still have a fun time. I got my first kiss by Sarah, I got my first job as a dog walker. I became Muslim, I became cheerleader, I sneaked to the airport with them. We went to Liseberg in Sweden, being 21 years old for a day, we built a secret gaming room, we moved to schools, from Elm Court School to Oak Tree School. We love playing basketball together, we love playing PlayStation 5 together. But now, I think it's time for you to shoot me, so I can enjoy in heaven with Michael and Justin, and even cousin Amy. Gosh, I miss those days, I'll never forget it.
Okay, thanks for your last words, Adam.
What?
Well, it looks like the executions are done. Come on guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go and celebrate with some pizza.
Oh gosh, Adam, I'm really gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too, Michael. But we're still gonna meet in heaven, and Justin.
Yeah. Ugh, my body doesn't feel too good, I can't feel my legs.
And mine either.
Oh man, I guess goodbye then, Adam.
Goodbye, Michael.